sometimes you know you need to take time.
All right.
If you don't have patience, you might think say, oh, things might not work out for you.
No, but I mean, who your research? No, natural resources been on war or mukum.
In the middle of this country, they don't have any natural resources. It's only oil.
Oil pen. But Africa had no baby. You were good. You were diamond.
Perfect.
You were oil. No, guys, that's what we were Ghana.
Yes. Let's mention one of the biggest country in Africa over here who manufacture crude oils. Nigeria. But see, if you go to Nigeria now, they don't have stable life.
So when you when you go to plug no live, be shane ne wo here le phone ko be wo ba no eko mene ke best friend nji gbomo ko wa e ba pe hia mi oba na stand gba fio ngbomo na mene egbijulo the 5th November na mene egbijulo ni happy birthday Charlie nyami ma wo kwatenti.
Thank you.
Mene oba the right time ni be no ba bi ene le wo ha no yakeke because wa gbasani na we echewa no ni hani na we eche ofagbe ono ofagbe oba sonwo experience no na yegbe family agbena before oba je share o back energy akwaba sin oba ke like o back because o ye gama mi we teshin akowo tuntu no dan wo yo e bi e wo fine spare me with that o back sani onunu ni akwara mineral water ejinu ko nu onu e bi e o ko be ni wo fin water akwara ko ite ote o aye o dase echon o man bi ke onu gba bi e ni oje ma me nu omo sibo nko awe ko ke fita ye ba wa wo adage nu e teshin no na fo ye ni ye bo a o Charlie I fin water fuel.
Okay.
Charlie let me get chili to that. It's so no feeling is
It tastes good.
All right.
It tastes really good.
That's some person. No one person will say like them of money in Aquaria could she move money in Aquaria for the first time and they don't even say anything bad with it.
Yeah.
Good at that. Until unuma 1 hour yina yeah. Fast forward what kasa body na amount for nim udi an kasa.
Okay. And me menken na me inga je papa ne wo manyama futu ga ke asante ke blofo
ke futu
we are call me Augustine Boatin,
all right,
alias Kwesi Keypad.
Nice one.
Yes.
All right. Augustine in a way almost 2 years now I think ofangbe
yeah
ni be fan over ofen wala gashin no ko papa ni she me na gbina ni this is the second year, right?
This is the second year.
Oh back na go take holiday few in the man opportunity.
Okay. Ite Oman.
Imbe ji Oman. Me ka ke Oman imbe manu ni.
Okay, ka ke Oman is part of one of the Middle East countries in Asia.
All right.
Manima break it down. Middle East country is the center or the middle part in Asia, which they are all Arabic people.
Oh, okay.
So these are the countries we have in the Middle East.
Oh, okay.
We have Qatar, we have Saudi, we have Kuwait, we have Oman, we have Bahrain, Dubai.
Not just say we see Oman, just say Arab country like China person on channel.
Yes. Located in the middle part of Asia.
Okay. It's but to Kwanako Oman. Unti history about the Arab countries say Arab for no ebia Ghana higher one your team news be brave even previous government to Kenya Japan ko rescue be brave omo free Kuwait in sa kro no su omo ji omo buy like it's simple say adi boni eko na devil na push you na utumi free Ghana ha too quite free ha ko Oman.
Thank you. Actually before I be free ha say you know I heard all this news that you are talking about like this type of Middle East countries Saudi like Nyamaboni ni bi ni esa ni gbomo ba fe but like it's like about is it true or not? I'm a type I like to see things for yourself. For myself.
Right.
I like to me impede say obi beka say bia makase say ntim so magiatum.
Okay.
So before I was there I didn't plan of any traveling.
Okay.
Yeah. So I think one of my friends were there. I didn't even hear anything about Oman. What I was hearing was Qatar, Dubai, Saudi.
Yes. I speak Ghana or Tree or any of them.
Me auntie any Krobia friend Oman and Qatar and I say, but mostly no Dubai and I'm the boss. My friends in the world.
Alright.
So later on, I think I had a chat with my friend and we were all in the barrister section. If you talk about barrister, it's not about court lawyers and this. Okay. Our profession is about coffee making.
Coffee making. Yes. This is a coffee no bar no. Bar like more coffee mixing machine. Mix coffee.
Yes. Yeah, mix coffee. And anybody who makes coffee, actually barrister. Okay. Yes.
No, so I think not only about coffee, but instead more yes, I'm mixing mixologists for they are all barrister.
They are all those people who makes the drinks are called bartenders.
So okay.
They are the ones I'm a few cocktails can be a mojito can be.
Okay. Let me just say be a barista be no mixing some be a barista.
Yes. Okay. It's not necessary for a barista to
say would coffee strictly coffee.
All right. Yes. So I had this friend in Oman and also maintain in culture. Oh, my honor na bibi try me say, oh, me chatting na me busa na say maintaining culture. So I chatted him and he told me that, oh, they say I will free Ghana. Yes, into no call Oman. So even the first I asked him where is Oman located. My busa ni do, but if I'm phone I'm searching and I that's what I told you. I like experiencing things by myself. Okay. Pets will be back at me. I could have asked my friends, say, where is Oman and stuff.
Yeah, but you Google it yourself and you read about Oman.
So I saw Oman. Oman was one of the strongest, I think 4 of the strongest country in the Middle East. Or let me say in the world in terms of currencies.
Okay. Oman is part of the
Oman is the number 4 strongest currency in the world. And I said, oh wow, okay, so fine. Let me have a try with this.
Okay.
But before that, the question that you asked me, coming forward to the question that you asked me, like, maybe about Middle East, I heard that and about me who at the moment.
All right.
Yes. So as I said, me obi am a person who baby. So I told him, say, okay, fine, I'll give this a try.
All right.
So my friend also has an agent and or linking me co-agent. Sometimes you need to take time.
All right.
If you don't have patience, you might think, say, oh, things might not work out for you. Sani anemi me sani ana atwi o
sani ana atwi ni
afele to gba mistake bibio ni wo you tell fio.
Okay.
Yes, ame na atwi ame small sorry to say ni kase mo
so ame kase na me fair research bi then ame kame ya wo no ko
perfect.
Let me move forward.
Yes, so me like this, I heard about these things and they say, okay, let me give you a try. I made my research and I saw that, okay, there are good things going on in Oman.
Okay.
So, talking forward, like, many agents, he did the process and it was about the time for me to leave. But baby, I was feeling impression was, I think, 1 week before me leaving the country, Ghana.
Okay.
That's where I started feeling some, I had some mixed feelings. Yeah.
So you shouldn't go, say,
I shouldn't go because of the news I was hearing about like, Oman, like not Oman per se, but the Middle East country.
But DNT now over Ghana. Now Uti at the Boni, but Ghana has a Juma now feel is you can make it in Ghana.
Yes. Best question, and this is the question that everybody needs to hear about. What you are saying. Send ya Ubusame send a DNT na man me free Oman. Eko Ghana. I could have made it in Ghana.
All right.
Yes. But one thing I'll say is like I'll put the government first. Actually, the government is not helping with the youth.
Oh, okay. In Ghana?
In Ghana, per se. Yeah, due to my experience I've had over there.
Okay.
Thomas, do you know, say, when you go to Oman, when you are a student, the government still gives you money.
Oh, okay.
It's not about
even you being a foreigner.
Not you being a foreigner. From your childhood.
A citizen.
Yes, a citizen.
Oh, okay. A citizen of Oman.
A citizen of Oman. Yes. They will make about fair credit card and every month government bad deposit a specific amount into your account. So when you grow up,
who your research natural resource been on war or
in the Middle East country they don't have any natural resources. It's only oil pay.
But Africa had no be good. They were
perfect.
Oil no gas will be Ghana.
Yes. Let's mention one of the biggest country in Africa over here who manufacture crude oils. Nigeria. But see, if you go to Nigeria now, they don't have stable lights.
Oh, okay.
I'm
trying to get where you're coming from.
Yes. So if you are talking about this type of Middle East countries like
Oman,
yes, it's something an experience I would like the youth to go and have over there and come here. But oh yes, be our green, be a bad things now. Yeah, so coming back to the bad things now, the quality happening to this youth, you know, is because sometimes the youth for no omuntu omubo and your more researchers. Can't no kobano keke Amerashi. Yes. Sometimes Obana agent back here wakashi. Oh, in Keboya Dubai. Pay more this amount. 3,000 Ghana cedis.
3,000 put a get flight to
Thank you very much. How much is a plane ticket? So yes, if you hear this and now person follow now you see it will go and land you. They will be making you this tourist visit. Yeah. And this tourist visit it lasts for only 3 months.
Oh, okay.
Over there in Middle East, the securities are very, very, very tight.
Oh, okay.
To some Ghana say, like police need me. He will not ask me anything. He will not search me. He will just ask me, give me your Ghana card.
Yeah.
You got same as over there, man. They'll ask me, give me your citizen card.
Yeah.
What you say? Oh, the man and I found a mobile phone. Obo code was scanning. Obo who days I waka wa say.
Yeah.
What betides you've exceed your days 2 months ahead.
Yeah.
1 month is no problem.
Yeah.
2 months ahead.
Hey.
That's the problem.
I'm dealing with you.
So coming back to it, you know, sometimes I'm trying to say the government is not helping us, we the youth, and also we the citizens in the nation.
Okay.
Anybody comes to other countries, foreign countries, comes here, do anything, then see the recently news that we heard about the footballer.
Yeah.
He came from, I think, Senegal, right?
Yeah.
And I'm 100% sure that Omu kidnapping they were not Ghanaians.
Oh, okay.
Yes. If
they are foreigners,
yes, Omu
I don't even checking them.
Perfect.
The system is not working. That's
the
what
system is not working. That's my problem.
It's not a comedy, no. They say I want to be brave.
Yes.
And I resources now was a man function, no. Ebimusu ediyeche. Ebimu and also can't be near Jumano.
What you say? So these are the things now. And my youth in yet opportunity kakrabia ye gane kono. What you say? Because me being here, I was working in a coffee shop, same as the barrister.
Yeah.
Comparing my salary to what I'm taking over here, the labor force over here in Ghana and same Oman are same level.
Alright. But
I don't know why Ghana over here, the work I was doing over here, my salary was like this, and I went to Oman, it was like twice or triple of the salary they were giving me over here in Ghana.
Maybe say Oman na ukoye no na salary na uje no udi bitua rent udi bitua nsuo like your expenses no one na utua ana unya sa no for as bonus as in let me say allowances and bibi unya bibi sa wo because say who ka sa na e bia Ghana ha no utia na bia wo rent because e bia wo busu for ha enti usika na e bia eswakwa la ubanya hu fa so but like when you go there and you spend on all these expenses now it still like to come to that level.
Yeah. So touch plug, do you know this is the reason why they be mean town in government ba put first yeah bibi American be an what you say. One say ubusa me say it's like me call man or it's like mutual rent, mutual light bill. These are a rules our government in Oman has set that any worker, not even a citizen, outside worker,
every foreigner and a citizen,
foreigner, it's a must that when the person comes to your company, we have someone which we call it a sponsor. In Ghana here, we call it my boss. Okay. But over here in the Middle East, we call it a sponsor because he is the one who is going to give you accommodation fee.
Everything.
He's going to give you, so we call them sponsors.
Sponsors.
Yes, so it's something, a rules are government and they are to say your sponsor has to take care of your electricity bill. He has to take care of your water bill. He has to take care of your accommodation. And secondly, if your only tomorrow maybe far away from distance, you're going to even add a transportation allowance to your salary.
Oh, okay.
Are you getting it? These are all the things that me comparing to Ghana here. I was talking that the government is not helping with the youth.
Oh, okay. Just say salary you can even only food.
Yes.
You take out of your salary.
Yes. And when you get a good lucky company a monthly no boss no boss ato aduane abro obakofa rice oil ne no
sack uncooked food
no that bro because oni aduane a wo pay what you say oni aduane a wo pay.
All right.
Yes. So these are the petty things now might we the youth sometimes they no opportunity be we has here. We don't want to stay actually.
You want to travel.
On town you often by.
All right. Odi me bisa wo say wako Oman aba why obi wa ha oni opese on to kwan nanso e bia 1212 osro e debe na wo kama no mi nka se catch obi so on to kwan ba wo debe na wo ma kan nipa no.
Yes,
catch your nipa no.
Perfectly. This is a good question too. according to no enye easy sir. And one of my advice I've given to, although I went to Oman, I spent 2 years, but I've tried to help a few people going to those countries. Not even Oman, Dubai, then Qatar, yes. But one thing advice I'll give to the youth is, okay,
trade. Let's learn some trade.
Trade.
All right.
I'm not talking about only Middle East countries. So even for the opportunity, yeah. See, I'm not talking about school is not good. School is perfect, but we have a limit.
No, that's just trading because it's a form of schooling.
It's a form of school. Perfect.
You are learning trade
yes.
So
if you want to go to school, maybe you have the intention to travel. What I will try to tell you is that your level of education shouldn't be too much high due to my experience I've had. Here. You know what is going on in Middle East country? To gain a respect from your bosses and also gain a respect and your afro bosses one of
now sponsors one
no beju we di ombo that respect no also muntimi who say you are useful to them.
Okay.
And this Ghana has say I don't have any idea about what they called restaurant. So I can apply as a restaurant, they will take me as a waiter. Yeah, make me for a bowl crampo survey that.
So you go in there as a barista and it gives you a lot of value. Usumbuma company now and now sponsor now call you Usumbuma because you have a trade, you learn something. Until now, maybe I want to feel some more less more treatment you are hard because you add value to the person you are with.
Yes. So you so that's when ABR those normal na home fatano. They can't say Krobia. For that one, I will not lie to the people watching me. You get it. Even Ghana. The peaceful country in the world cry, we have bad people over there.
All right.
You get it. We have bad people over here. But over there in the Middle East, everything is about rules. Just go there, follow the rules. There are some rules like we don't take alcohol, we don't take ladies. Like how Ghana here, we full free. But they have a specific place how call bet me alcohol. It is allowed, but you have to take a license. Yes.
All right. Have to take a license before you chill.
Yes. No, the shop owner has to take a license. So when the police comes.
For you and our working
for the shop. For the people who come.
The people chilling in the shop. The people that work creative shop.
Yes, it's like
chilling you have to get license.
Tashi Plug wants to open like a pub in Oman.
Yeah.
You have to go to the government, take a license, and the Food and Drug Board will come there to check everything whether it's everything set.
Before they are citizens and even not non-citizens, like as foreigners can come and chill there.
Yes.
They have to make sure the place is satisfied.
Yes, I've heard a lot of news that they are saying over there you can't chill, you can't do this. When you go to the city, we have a lot nice clubs.
But I'm busy one question. I think back when Martin say you see omu krono so no. Omumba like asking imba na omu when you say worry you as a foreigner you dare not touch a lady in their country.
Yes, and that one it's a plus for me.
It's a plus for you.
Yes, because it shows respect to ladies.
Okay, but not only about ladies. What about their men? Can their men touch foreigners as in female foreigners?
Yes, for foreigner.
For their men, can their men marry female foreigners in their country?
There are specific countries they can marry, but not all African countries. Yes. You see when you go to Middle East countries, it's an Arabic country, and they link to this type of countries I'm coming to mention. They link to
Algeria.
Yes, let me say, they are Omasin free Tanzania, and you know, say Tanzania is an African country. Yeah, so sometimes they travel to Tanzania people. So if you go there, I can say 40% of Middle East people are Tanzanians.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Right.
But the Africans, you can see their skin color is black.
Okay. They are a little bit fair.
Yes, but if you trace them, you also omu grandmother, omu grandfather, Tanzania, Africa.
All right.
And buy.
Okay, so maybe about countries but you can marry from if you are a citizen from.
Okay, so there are these countries too I can mention. I know about. I don't want to say something I don't know about. So these two countries they can marry from is I think Tanzania and Ethiopia. Yeah.
Okay. I thought maybe because they are Arabic countries, so maybe Morocco, Algeria, those kind of Arabic countries.
Yeah, but for me, due to my experience, I'm not too sure. But
you know about the Tanzania and where?
Yes, Ethiopia. Yeah. But there are a lot of Egyptians, Moroccos, and over there. Yes, okay. But I've not seen that.
See, I put to Audima Aquantofoni say Omu Tukwaya, Omusuya in Sanojuma.
Yes,
because you traveled with a barrister profession.
And as I'm talking about now, I feel like over here is my country. Meaning say I am a country, but because of the respect that I had for my boss, any inside do not me one. It's like he is not finding anybody same like me.
Okay.
My band wasn't me besu edumane, but me call on minimum de me koye.
Alright.
What you say?
Right.
And secondly, when you get there, don't be too much quiet on them. This type of people, they are type of people are say put pressure on no who said the way is right. What you say? Unim say bia adere is ya say. O boss ni bet ma ba fa is ya say. Ukoko beka say, hey, me na me boss. What you say? So you have to show him the right thing. Say right one, right way, no, the right procedure is here, but not here.
Indeed.
When you tell him that, he keeps quiet.
Him say, oh yeah, the money, but okay, say, I know you're bonnia. But say, if you put that day, no one yes. Tomorrow, what's not about you?
Perfect.
All right.
Yes.
That means that you know your work.
You know your work.
You are not even faking.
Yes.
Because he's the boss, so you want to pretend like
no.
you are okay.
Are you getting it? Perfect.
Okay.
Yes. So the advice I'll give to the youth is you have to get like any handworks like that one is very important. Not even in Middle East country.
But I know that before you will leave, you know now Augustine dear or Emini Papa.
Yeah, Thomas. And it is the same deck. So extra was in the chemistry near pi.
Semicatcher for be said be a science student or moon. Science students,
one acid base.
Oh, yeah,
nice meeting you. And I also like your work. Although I was back there, but I saw what you were doing.
All right.
It's really impressive. I like it. Just keep it up.
Me da wasi bebre say obefa. Anya me no ko attach plug na be me nka inya me nu Augustine ya sham. Wo basane fio wasane fio ne bale wen kwale follow hane enu akwara me nu awota ko nu enu ele wen etatuye wa egbe na boden chestile enu olololo jemi ka enu we lecture na ga nu ahihye na ehwe ka ehye ma hye ma wo ha mokokro wasane egbe na anya me ka anya nu nya to akwara asegbe ko to atale ko ka no we link up to hooks collection ya akọwo no test plug near me link up test plug wana atale papa ko no go bye bye wo be ne man na online